really easy to conceal your under eyes, your dark spots and everything. Excuse me, the birds are chirping. So this is what it... What the hell? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited today because I'm going to do my first haul video. I love hauls, whether it be food haul, grocery haul, skincare, makeup, clothing, any hauls. I just love hauls. I hope you will also enjoy this video, and make sure you hit that red subscribe button and also the bell button beside that. And now coming back to the video, I have quite a lot of these packages with me. I'm gonna share all of the things that I've got this month. So they're mainly all skincare and makeup. So this video is gonna be a skincare slash makeup haul. So without a further ado, let's hop into the video. We're gonna start off with every girl's favorite, Nykaa. Dun, dun. The first product that I got from Nykaa is a foundation, and it is this Lakme Absolute Mousse Foundation. So I have used this product in like 4 or 5 years back, and it gives you that really natural finish. So I'm in the shade 01 Ivory Fair, and the MRP is rupees 800, but I got this at 50% off on Nykaa. That is 400 bucks, which is a great deal. The packaging is also very elegant, very cute. So this comes in a round packaging like this. Very beautiful. When you open the product, the foundation looks something like this. Like, see, it blends so easily and so beautifully. Very beautiful product. I really love this one, and it is so soft to touch. The smell is like every other Lakme product, and I really like the foundation, and I think you should give it a try. Okay, so the next product that I have is a concealer. So the concealer looks like this. Again, very chic. So it's their Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer. It comes with a cushion like this, and which is really soft. It's very easy to use. You can easily conceal your under eyes, your dark spots and everything. I haven't used this product in past. It's a new buy, and but I have heard many good things about this concealer, so I'm really looking forward to try this out. I really hope that it works great for my under eyes. So that was my next purchase. The next is again a concealer. It's by Wet n Wild. It's their Photo Focus Concealer, and I'm in the shade Medium Tawny. This is how it looks like. I have used this product in the past, and it really works amazing to hide all your acne scars and dark spots, hyperpigmentation. Really works great, and highly recommend this. If you're looking for a concealer in budget, go for this Wet n Wild one. Next is a lipstick. It's by Nykaa, Matte to Last lipstick, and I'm in the shade Jhumki. Haven't opened it yet, and it looks like this. Price is somewhere around 600 rupees. I don't remember, but I would mention on the screen. And I'm gonna quickly swatch this on my hand. This is how the shade looks like. I really love this color. It is like that brownish nude kind of color, and I love nude lipsticks, and especially brown nudes are my favorite. So that was my next product. The next item is again a lipstick, and it's this one. This is the Bella Voste The Perfect Pout Sheer Cream Lust Lipstick, and I'm in the shade
2,000 years later.
So I'm in the shade 08 Mystery Glory. It's like this. It's a bullet lipstick. It looks like. So I'm gonna swatch it again. So this is how it looks like. I didn't really like the color, but I think on lips it would look better. but it's okay, it was not that pricey. Next are some few skincare products, very basic. So this is the Nivea soft moisturizer. I came back to this because I was breaking out a lot, and when nothing suits me, this baby suits me. So if you're a sensitive girl like me, you should try this because this won't break you out. Trust me on this. So that was my next purchase. The next item is a lip balm, and it's by the brand Wadi Herbal. So it just retails for rupees 40, which is great, and the quality is amazing, works great for me. So try this one. That's the next. And the last thing that I got from Nykaa is a Kumkum Adi oil by the brand Aura Vedic. It claims that it gives you a spotless, radiant, brighter skin. It's a 100 ml bottle and looks very tempting. Next, I'm gonna show you Mama Earth product. So this is how the packaging looks like, very cute. When my mom first saw it, she was like, "Is this a toy ka dabba?" So I have got two products from Mama Earth. Both of them are serums. So the first serum that I got is this one. This is the Skin Correct Face Serum with niacinamide and ginger extract. It claims that it works for acne marks and scars, which I was looking for, and so I got this. I haven't tried this out, but I have heard it. It retails for 599 rupees. You get 30 ml of the product, and there are some amazing ingredients. Like you can see, there are a lot of ingredients added into this, and that's why I opted for this one. And if it works great for me, I am going to do a proper review of this one. And if you guys want any of the products review, don't feel shy to comment down below. I will do it. So yeah, let me just open it and show how it looks like. I haven't opened any of the products yet. I was waiting to shoot this video and then see. So you get a dropper and you get a bottle. It's that kaach ka bottle. So it looks like this. So that's how serums are, right? So this is what. So the next serum is this Skin Illuminate Face Serum. Very hyped product over social media and YouTube. Again, 30 gram of product you get, and it retails for 599 rupees. This face serum has even more ingredients. Like you can see, great. Okay, let me just open this one. So this is not like the niacinamide one.
It isn't as easy as people say it is. I think everyone has their own journey and their own struggle. It's like
difference ये है कि जहाँ हमारे सपने पूरे होते हैं वहाँ इनका struggle शुरू होता है.
This is how it looks like. It doesn't come with a dropper. It's a pump bottle, and it is more easy and convenient to use. Excuse me for this swatch. So you just have to pump it and massage it onto your skin. So it is more easy to use. Again, I'm telling you that it will take some time to test all the products, see if it is working good for me or not, and only then I can come and share the review. So I would try all of the products from today onwards, and tell me which product should I review first. So that was the Mama Earth product. The next package is by Amazon. I ordered 3 products from Amazon. I have one here with me, but 2 of the products still not delivered. So I'm gonna show what I have. So this is the Khadi Herbal Facial Massage Gel with mint and aloe vera. One of my friend suggested me this. She told me that it really helped to calm down the pimples she had. I had to get this even though aloe vera gel doesn't suit me. I have used Patanjali aloe vera once and it just broke my skin so bad that I didn't go back to aloe vera gel ever. But she raved so much about this product that I had to get my hands on this. So this bottle retails for rupees 195 and you get 100 gram of product, which is great. So what I am going to do is I'll apply a layer of this gel right here and leave it for about 2 to 3 hours and see if it breaks me or not. I will repeat this procedure 3 to 4 times to make sure that it breaks me or not. If it breaks me, I'm gonna give this to my mom, and if doesn't, then great. So that's the gel that I got. The next two items that I ordered from Amazon, one is a bio cucumber toner from Biotic, and the second one is Ayurvedic face pack from Dr. Vaidya. And if you guys are wondering why I'm so much into natural and Ayurvedic skincare, it's because I am on a Ayurvedic medication these days for my acne, pimples, and hormonal imbalance. So it makes sense that if you are onto Ayurvedic medication, you should also apply things that is natural, herbal, and Ayurvedic. So that was the main reason for that. I'm left with just 2 boxes, and those are from Flipkart. So all the things right here are from one brand which I really wanted to try. I haven't tried it, so let's see which brand is that. So the first thing here is this mascara. First of all, the packaging looks super cute, and this is by the brand Essence. It's their False Lash Effect mascara. I was just scrolling down on Pinterest, and that's how I came to know about this product and about this brand. They were raving about this product, that it gives you that false lash effect. Price is just 350 rupees, and you get great discount on this one as well. So I got it for around 250 rupees, which is great, and I have used this product, and it really gives you that false lashes effect. Very good product. I highly recommend this. I am planning to do a Sense product review in my upcoming videos, so let me know in the comment box if you guys want that or not. You should try this. So the next thing is a lipstick, again by Essence. All of the products left are by Essence. It's their Color Boost Mad About Matte Liquid Lipstick, and I'm in the shade 08 Magnetic Gloom. Packaging looks like a lip gloss, but it is a liquid lipstick. Yeah, the shade is very pretty. I have used this product. It is very light on your lips and stays for a good time. So let me just swatch this on my hand. The shade looks like this. Looks very pretty when on lips. I highly recommend trying out Essence products, guys. It is very cheap, but the quality is amazing. Next is eyeliner. So it's their Essence Super Last Eyeliner Waterproof, and it says that it stays for 18 hours, which is great. It retails for rupees 295. I got it for around 200 rupees. What else can you ask for such a cheap eyeliner which is waterproof plus stays for a really long time? I am really impressed with this brand. The last product for today is the eye pencil by Essence. It's their long-lasting eye pencil in the shade Life in Pink. I got this to have that quirky eye makeup, and again it says that it stays for 18 hours plus waterproof. Great. So that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and it would have helped you in some way. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, and also comment down below which of the products review do you want. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.